Dr. McCawley, I want to get in the nitty gritty for a second. What types of things for the layman might we see when you guys are showing us these organisms and things in our mouth?
Well, we see spirochetes, which look like worms on the screen, look like big worms, all right? And we see these big worms are actually often attacking white blood cells that are our defense mechanism, and they'll actually rip them apart, just like piranhas do. We see amoeba, which are big globs. These amoeba, we often can see the amoeba sucking the nucleus out of a white blood cell, and that kills the white blood cell. So the enzymes spread into the tissue. We even, in maybe 10% of the patients, we see trichomonads that look like small mice. So it's a dramatic thing that they see. And once you see it, you basically want to get rid of it.